Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Pharma Creations. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 2, that is BP 504T. This is the D/2 question paper of summer examination 2022. Here we are going to see the complete paper of this examination, and also we are going to discuss the MCQs of this paper. So let's start with the discussion. Here is your MCQ number 1. The technique of separation of components from mixture is known as option A is spectroscopy, B is percolation, C maceration, and D is none of the above. So if we discuss these MCQs and these options, here the percolation and maceration, these are the two extraction techniques, whereas spectroscopy, it is the analytical technique, and the technique which is used for the separation of components from the mixture is known as a chromatography. In the chromatography technique, we can separate the components of the mixture. So here the correct option for this MCQ is the none of the above, because no one option here given for the technique of separation of components from the mixture. So D option is correct. Next MCQ, Google is option A is volatile oil, B is glycoside, C is oleogum resin, and D is alkaloid. So Google is the example of oleogum resin. So option C is correct. Next MCQ, the chemical test for flavonoids is option A is legal test, B Baljet test, C Shinoda test, and D is hemolytic test. So the chemical test used for identification of flavonoids is Shinoda test. So option C is correct. Next MCQ, fourth one, 1,3,7-trimethyl xanthine is option A is caffeine, B theobromine, C atropine, and D is artemisinin. Here 1,3,7-trimethyl xanthine, it is the chemical name of the drug that is called as a caffeine. So option A is correct. Next MCQ, dash dash is absent in clove. Option A is starch, B epidermis, C oil glands, and D is parenchyma. So if we see the components of the clove bud, oil glands are present in the clove bud. Along with the oil glands, epidermis is present and parenchyma is also present. So starch is the component which is absent in the clove. Next, family of mentha is option A is Lauraceae, B Myrtaceae, C Labiataceae, and D is the Staphylophoridaceae. So here the family of mentha is Labiataceae. It is nothing but it is the formally called as a Lamiaceae family, and the correct option over here is Labiataceae. Next MCQ, following is not a extraction method. Option is A infusion, B diffusion, C percolation, and D is the maceration. So here if we see the methods used for the extraction are infusion, percolation, and maceration. These are the methods that is called as extraction methods, whereas diffusion is not the extraction method. So option B is correct. Next MCQ, Diascorea is used for the production of option A is antibiotics, B is purgatives, C antacid, and D is the steroidal hormones. So here Diascorea leaves are mainly used for the production of steroidal hormones. So option D is correct. Next MCQ, ninth one, dash dash belongs to the family Rubiaceae. Option A is Cinchona, B digitalis, C senna, and D is fennel. So Cinchona is the drug which is belonging to the family Rubiaceae. So option A is correct. Next MCQ, alkaloids are dash dash in nature. Option A is acidic, B basic, C neutral, and D is none of the above. So here alkaloids are the compounds which contains the nitrogen atom in their structure. So the nature of the alkaloids is basic in nature. So option B is correct. Next MCQ, one of the reagent of Vitaly-Morin test is option A is menthol, B mentholic KOH, C KBr, and D is bromine water. So here the reagent which is used in the Vitaly-Morin test is methanolic KOH, that is potassium hydroxide is used. Here the spelling mistake is there, that is mentholic KOH it is, but actual spelling is it is a methanolic potassium hydroxide, that is KOH. So here option B is correct. Next MCQ, pale catechu belongs to the family option A Rubiaceae, B Lauraceae, C Umbelliferae, and D is Liliaceae. So here the pale catechu, it is belonging to the family that is Rubiaceae. Next, atropine is manufactured from option A is tropic acid and tropine, B hydrochloric acid and tropic acid, C. hydrochloric acid and tropine, and D. tannic acid and hydrochloric acid. So if we see the chemical reaction which is used for the synthesis of atropine, here in this chemical reaction tropic acid and tropine both are used. So atropine is manufactured from the tropic acid and tropine in the presence of hydrochloric acid. This reaction takes place. So option A is correct, that is tropic acid and tropine. Next MCQ, caffeine is a, option A is true alkaloid, B is protoalkaloid, C is pseudoalkaloid, and D is the glycoside. So caffeine is nothing but it is a purine alkaloid and it is a true alkaloid. So option A is correct. Next MCQ, which of the following is the test for the identification of anthraquinones? Option A is Murex-Side test, B is Shinoda test, C is Lieberman-Bouchard test, and D is the Braun-Trager test. So the test which is used for the identification of anthraquinones is Braun-Trager test. So option D is correct. Next MCQ, which of the following is opium? Option A is dried latex exudate of the unripe unsized capsule. Option B is the dried aqueous extract of the ripe capsules. Option C, the dried alcoholic extract of the unripe capsules. And option D is a concentrated alcoholic extract of a poppy straw. So here the correct description of the opium is the dried latex exudate of the unripe unsized capsule. So option A is correct. Next MCQ 17, which of the following factors does not influence the effectiveness of the extraction? Option A is temperature, B is polarity of the solvent, C is particle size of the grounded drug, and D is the refractive index of the compounds to be extracted. So if we see the factors which are affecting to the effectiveness of the extraction are the temperature. Effectiveness of the extraction is also depends upon the polarity of the solvent, and also it depends upon the particle size of the grounded drug. But the refractive index of the component which is you are going to be extracted, it will not influence the effectiveness of the extraction. So that's why the D option, the refractive index of the compounds to be extracted, is the correct option for this MCQ, which is not having any influence on the effectiveness of the extraction. Next MCQ, licorice can be used as, option A is cough remedy, B antirheumatic, C demulcent, and D is the all of the above. So licorice is the drug which is used for the cough remedy, also it is used as antirheumatic, it is having a demulcent activity also. So option D is correct, that is all of the above. Next MCQ, which of the following components are terpenoids? Option A is iridoids, option B is anthocyanidins, option C carotenoids, and D is tannins. Here the correct option is terpenoids is carotenoids, so option C is correct. Last MCQ, which of the following alkaloids can be found in opium? Option A is papaverine, B noscapine, C thebaine, and D is the ephedrine. So here if we see the alkaloids which are present in the opium drug, papaverine, noscapine, and thebaine, these are the alkaloids which are found in the opium. Here actually the question is wrongly asked. The correct question will be as like, which of the following is not the alkaloid which is found in the opium? That is the correct question, but it is asked in the wrong way. And if we see the correct option for this MCQ, that is ephedrine, which is not the alkaloid which is found in the opium. And if we discuss about the alkaloids which are found in the opium are papaverine, noscapine, thebaine. These are all the alkaloids which are found in the opium. So here we cannot predict the correct answer for this MCQ because question is wrongly asked. And if the question is likewise, that is which of the following is not the alkaloid can be found in the opium, that is the ephedrine. So in this way we have discussed the MCQs of this paper. These are the long answer question asked for this examination, and these are the short answer questions. Here you can write it down the questions for your reference, and you can prepare accordingly for your further examinations of semester 5. For any query you can ask me in the comment section. I have already posted the MCQs of your subject 501T, 502T and 503T. The link is already given in the description box, you can check it. Also I am going to give you the unit wise question bank of each and every subject. So keep watching this channel for further updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.